This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and welcome to issue 26 of building the Infinity Gauntlet from the Infinity Saga, from Marvel, and from Thanos. Thankfully donated by Thanos, I didn't have to fight him for it. So, Thor Unleashed, I know Thor, I'm aware of him, so we can read all about him if you don't know him already from the films, or indeed the comics, but I haven't read the comics. It's been a long time since I read those comics, but yeah. So yes, we've got part 3 of the index finger. Basically, we're building it up from the tip backwards. We've got that to put on, the metal bit to put in, and then a bracket to sort of hold that together. And then we've only got another chunk of finger to carry on and do, but yeah, it's going to be a little while before we're finished. Still looking at Thor, the God of Thunder. I can sense a theme. Seems to be a theme progressing through this magazine. Is that 2 pages? I want to turn 1 page over. There you go. Yep, there we go. Information about Thor and Tom, the art of muscle. Right, let's have a look at this last part of the delivery. And here we are, bringing it all together. We've got the finger from last time, or the last couple of times, the parts from today, and a screw. We'll be using one of these screws. Let's get one of those screws out. Like so. Right, what we need to do first is put the little washer on the post, and then that goes through there. Quite tight, but does go through, honest. This will obviously eventually have some movement to it. Going further than that. It's going to go in further than that, but not all the way, I don't think. There you go. That's that in there. Then we've got this to go over the top of it. With a little hexagonal shaping on there. That goes on there like that. And covers over that bit. So when it moves, we've got the movement there. Good. And that is at the moment held in place by this, which goes over that post like so. And that screw will hold that post in place. I don't know what you're doing. Alexa, stop. Didn't ask you things. Stop telling me things. Try that again. Get that in there. Like so. And then tighten it down. Making sure that that is still in the right place, which it is. And there we have it. That's that. The other side of that will obviously be held in place momentarily. And we're going to have the big casing bits go around the top there as well. But that is that for now. That is another issue done, and indeed another delivery done. So I am now waiting the next pack of 5, which is going to be another month, isn't it? Because, you know, it's been a while. But that is the start of the index finger. Looks like it's almost done, but it's only that bit that we've done so far, and it's already massive. It's huge. Every time I pick out the box and look into it, it's huge. The hugeness of it gives it away. So that's that. I shall put that aside until the next pack comes in. And stay safe. I shall see you for that very, very soon. There's other part works happening, obviously, all the time throughout the channel. So join me for one of those, and then join me later for the rest of this. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.